my name is Kristen and I work for Daly City Recreation. And today we're going to be making some strawberry shortcakes inspired by this week's theme, a super summer. So the ingredients you'll be needing is some buttermilk biscuits, some whipped cream topping, 2 tablespoons of butter, some sliced up strawberries, and about 2 spoons of sugar. And don't forget to have a pan lined with parchment paper. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out your biscuits, you're going to separate them, and you're going to put them in your pan. Then after, you're going to go ahead and melt your butter in the microwave, brush it over the biscuits, sprinkle some sugar, and put it in the oven to bake for about 13 to 17 minutes. So now that your biscuits are done, go ahead and let them sit for about 5 minutes before moving on. So now that your biscuits are done resting, go ahead and cut each one in half, fill it with some whipped cream topping and some sliced strawberries, and you're ready to go. And that's how you make a strawberry shortcake. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time.